To create multicolored extruded text in Canva, go to the Apps section and search for the TypeExtrude app. Type your first letter and select your preferred font. Customize the colors of the extruded text to your liking. Click Edit Effect. Increase the distance to around 100 to create the 3D effect. Click Add to Design, then resize and position the letter on the left side of your canvas. Duplicate this element for each subsequent letter, changing the text and adjusting colors for each new character. Place each new letter beside the previous one to form your complete word or phrase. Select all letter elements together to move or resize your entire text composition as a unified group.